I'm a bad bitch.
Period! What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and as you could already tell, you guys, this is gonna be a collaboration with the one and only Mama Prima Donna. This is my mama love, and I decided to give you guys a Mother's Day special and, you know, just glam up my mom and turn her into the prima donna, or like prima donnify her, because she's the OG. Okay, I gave a little taste to my mom of like what it's like to actually do what I do with the host studio lighting and actually sitting down and batch filming. So mommy's been here since 11 in the morning filming content with me, and yeah, so this is how her glam came out. I think she looks slayed, y'all. Category is your mother is a baddie. 10s across the motherfucking board, okay? And y'all, I also have a special guest, because not only of course it is me and my mother, but of course we had to give y'all a 3-generation trio here. We got the one and only Thuli Thuli. So yeah, we are all matching and we're about to do a little photo shoot. I want to just come on camera real quick just to say happy Mother's Day to all my prima donnas that are moms. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. Shout out to all my boss ass prima donnas killing it in motherhood. You are not going unnoticed. I know raising a child is hard work. This is a village, because my mom here helps me the most with Autumn. So I wouldn't even be here today if it wasn't for this lady right here, you guys. I wouldn't even be able to film as much as I film if it wasn't for my mom helping me. So shout out to mama. Ma, you want to say something?
No.
Mommy's shy. She don't want to say nothing.
Okay, and
right
I want
to
say thank you for everybody for trying to hard work with their kids, and happy Mother's Day.
Alright, me and mommy did some TikToks, okay? I had her doing the transitions, the whole shebang, okay? We put mommy through it today. So, and my dad is about to come right now. So let me stop and end this intro, because I'm actually trying to get his actual reaction on camera, because he's never seen my mom in full glam like this, okay? And I went all out.
Okay, so bye guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
I'm a bad bitch.
Period.
Bye guys.
Alright, so jumping straight into voiceover, and if you know my mom, okay, you already know my mom has to have a drink in her hand. My mom is literally like the life of any party. Shit, it would have been a dub for filming if there was no drink. So yeah, my mom literally had to start off with a drink. I had to make her drink literally before we sat down and did this makeup. There goes Autumn here for emotional support, and she's dumb hyped that her grandmother's getting her face bait. Look at me trying to like show you guys. Alright, enough kissing back there, because I get jealous, alright? But anyways, my mom literally, I don't know if the drink was hitting, but before we started, she literally could not stop singing. I was dying. I'm like, lady, if you don't face this damn camera with your crazy self. And honestly, it was a challenge doing my mom's brows, because my mom is super duper anal about her brows. Since I was young, I don't think I've ever seen my mom without brows. My mom honestly does her brows every single day, even though she does not wear makeup. You will not catch her slipping without her eyebrows, okay? And there she go again with her singing. My mom was just feeling the vibes, okay? She was lit with her drink. So yeah, I'm trying to finesse her brows and give her something a little bit different. Like I said, something more like I'm used to. I kind of like more of that feathered brow, microbladed type of look. So I gave her those style brows, and I think she was feeling them. I think the drink was kind of hitting off on me, because look at me now. Now I couldn't stop fucking singing. I'm over here grabbing my mama's face. We was vibing, okay? Actually, watching back on this footage, we were actually having a blast. You guys have no idea how much I will cherish this video forever, you guys. Like, as you can see clearly, my mom is getting older, and just to have this special memory or have this moment captured on camera, I hold it very dear to my heart, and it was very special for me. And like I said in the intro, y'all, I never did my mother's makeup full beat like this before, so I'm living, okay? I think she was loving her brows. Look at that. Bombastic side eye. I'm dead. But anyways, now she go ahead, keep singing. Okay, do your thing, ma. Go ahead, feel yourself. But anyways, now we're going to go ahead and start the eyeshadow. So I'm just setting her lids with a little bit of concealer and some powder just to prep her up for some eyeshadow. Now, okay. All right, now she gone with the dancing. Now she picking up the damn dog. Lady cannot work. Look at Thady. Little Thady. But anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and now start stealing her drink because I think she had a little too much, okay? But anyways, now we're gonna go ahead with the Juvia's Place coffee shop. Shout out to Juvia's for actually sponsoring this video with me and my mother for their Mother's Day campaign. So I wanted to do the same exact look that I have on me. So I used the same exact palette, which is the coffee shop palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm kind of going for something very pretty and subtle, kind of like a soft glam, my signature prima donna look. So yeah, I'm gonna start off first with a very neutral warm color in her crease, all diffused back and forth, and I'm just gonna deepen up that outer corner and work right up into the first shade that we used into the crease. So one thing I love about this palette is that the eyeshadows blend like a dream, you guys. Like, you cannot go wrong with neutrals. And my little trick also when I'm working with clients or any type of thing, if you want to do something quick, is I always like to do kind of like a faux cut crease, but it's very soft and diffused, so you're not worrying about carving anything out. So you want to use more of a fluffier brush to do this method, and I literally love doing this, especially if you have smaller eyes like my mama love here. She has very tiny eyes, so this is kind of like a little trick to make your lids appear bigger than they really are. And it wouldn't be a prima donna look, of course, if I did not do my white inner corner pop, because y'all already know, baby. And y'all already know how I feel about eyeshadow toppers. I am obsessed, especially it will take a very simple look to something very special occasion. And like I said, it's Mother's Day, so I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle. This is the Makeup by Mario Crystal Master Reflector in the shade Citrine. It's the gold one. So anyways, now finishing off her eye look with some lashes. I didn't want to go too prima donna, but they were long enough. Definitely longer than what she's used to, but yeah, y'all already know I go hard or go home, okay? I love a good lash on this channel. So anyways, now for foundation, like I said, being that this was a Juvia's Place campaign collab, we are going to be using their new luminous foundation. I love their I Am Radiance foundation. I did a whole review on this, so if you guys want a more in-depth review on this foundation, definitely check out my channel. But yeah, for my mom, I am going to be using the Makeup by Mario Duo foundation brush. This is my holy grail foundation brush, okay? Honestly, I really don't even use beauty blenders no more, not even on my clients. Like, I totally just switched over to brushes and brushes only, and it's definitely changed the game for me. I just love brushes now. But anyways, if you're wondering, the shade that I used on my mom is the shade Tangier in her foundation, and now I'm just doing a little bit of cream contour with the Anastasia cream bronzer. I'll leave all of the products in the description box, because some of the stuff I honestly forgot to show. So yeah, for my mom's under eye, she's very dry like me, so I gave her more of a hydrating concealer. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of cream blush. This is also the Juvia's Place new liquid blushes. This one is in the shade Rosy Posey, and honestly, one of my favorite shades out of their collection. I honestly cannot stop using this shade Rosy Posey. It is just too bomb, and you guys already know I love a good bright under eye. So yeah, I'm just basically having my mother look up at the ceiling while I take a concealer brush and tap onto her under eye. You do not want to swipe. Another trick when you are working with mature clients, you do not want to bake and use a lot of heavy powder. So for my mom's under eye, I'm just gonna lightly set with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is their flawless airbrush powder in the shade Light 2. So it's a little bit lighter to brighten up her under eye, and I'm also gonna be using this to set the rest of her face. And as you guys can see, for the face, I'm using a very big fluffy brush, so that way it is very subtle and she does not look dry, and it does not settle into all of her fine lines. Like I said, you want to use a lot of minimal product when working with mature skin. So yeah, just a tip. Now for bronzer, I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Glowish Glow Bronzer. I am so obsessed with this bronzer, especially for spring and summer. It adds the perfect pop of glow to your bronzer without being too matte. It's just so stunning and beautiful, especially when the light hits it. I'm also going to be using the Duo Rouged Blush Duos by Juvia. This is volume 2, okay, my bitch, okay? This is my shit right here. I love volume 2. But yeah, my mom was like, I think it's too much blush. Girl, bye. All right, we love a good blush over here. You better learn today, lady. You better learn, okay? So now I got her, you know, drenched in setting spray while I'm over here giving her a little highlight, okay? Beaming for the gods, all right? You already know. And I'm gonna smoke out her lower lash line, because you already know how they did back in the day with the damn eyeliner, okay? She was not trying to have no nude in her waterline. She said, bitch, if you don't give me a black or a brown, why? So now I'm gonna give my mom, you know, a little overdrawn lip. She was a little concerned, but I told her I got this. All right, lady, fall back. Watch me work. And why she was feeling the lip the most. Because at first she was like, Leslie, don't overdraw me. Ma, I'm gonna overdraw and you're gonna live, okay? And why when I gave her the little porn star lip, she couldn't stop gagging, okay? I already know. And at first we was gonna leave it matte, but I had to hit my mom with, you know, the NYX Shine Loud. Like, look at her feeling herself. Bitch, give me that phone. Give me that phone. Stop calling people and wait till I'm done, okay? And now, once again, hitting her with the setting spray. And you see them lips is all shiny. That's that NYX Shine Loud, okay? That shit is like top coat for your lips. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on the NYX Shine Loud. That's my shit. I'm locking everything in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and the Charlotte Tilbury Stay All Day. I'm telling y'all, that duo right there of setting sprays, your client or you, whoever, you're gonna be locked and set all day. So this was my mom's reaction when she seen herself. She was living, of course, couldn't stop smiling, but I already knew that. But now we're gonna move on to her hair, because of course I have to give the whole full shebang, the whole makeover. So I wanted to kind of like do the same hairstyle that I had and me and Autumn had, which is kind of like a high ponytail bun with a curl bang type of thing. Okay, anyways, but yeah, I am so short. As y'all know, I am 4'11", and I have my mom on a chair so that way we can film. And girl, I could not get the top of her head, so I had her, you know, lean her head over so I could actually give her a high ponytail, because short people problems, y'all. Like, I cannot get the top of your head. Like, y'all gonna have to get down when y'all want me to do these edges. Like, be stressing me out. But anyways, go ahead and get my mother's edges all nice and fleek. My mom was dying having her edges like this, because my mom is older, so she's like, girl, bye. Like I told her, the edges is what makes the hairstyle, okay? You are never too old for some edges. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do her little curl in the front and go ahead and pin it, let it set in place, because she did want to touch up her roots, okay? My mom didn't get to, you know, dye her hair in time, because I literally told her, no lie, like a day or two before we filmed this. So it was like super like, okay, I need you in my house tomorrow, okay? And she came through, okay? Love the loyalty, the commitment. But nonetheless, this is how my mother's finished glam came out. She looks absolutely stunning. Also, mom, if you're watching this, thank you again so much for filming with me and sitting here and just doing all of this. You are me and Autumn's world. You mean everything to us. Happy Mother's Day. We love you. But yeah, I did record some reactions of my mom's makeup on camera, so let's get into it.
Close your eyes. Grandma?
Turn.
I'm gonna wait.
No, what do you think?
I'm in again.
Alright, bloopers, goodbye. Alright, so we FaceTime Alyssa. Alright, ready to see Nana?
Yeah, stop playing.
Nah, she looked the fuck
And then
good.
you know what sends me to is the poses.
Look at Thuli.
I did it too, but I wiped off the makeup.
Oh, Autumn.
Oh, Autumn. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Love you, Mom, and I love you all, prima donnas. Happy Mother's Day.